SBEV stock analysis and SBEV stock prediction. Is it a buy right now? Watch this 1-minute video till the end to find out. So as I'm looking at Splash Beverage Group, 65% performance is actually sick. I'm a very big fan, but this does not change the, I mean, it could change the trajectory of how this thing moves, but I'm just looking at the broader picture and I'm not that kind of wowed by it. I made more videos than anyone else in this YouTube space with 39,000 videos, all documented, by the way. Like, no one else is documenting it like I'm doing here, the Discord receipts and whatnot. But SBEV, yes, sure thing, broke structure up. And now what? Doesn't mean that it's gonna be like the best thing to buy, but if there's like a sell side and there's like a double break, I'm willing to even double down, you know. So let me know what is your opinion on SBEV. And if you want to make more money trading in a simple lean way, then just click the first link in the description. It's a free newsletter.